everybody. So I'll be solving problem 1, identifying arithmetic sequences. So problem asks, is the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16 an arithmetic sequence? Now, there are two problems in this question. So let's solve number 16 first. It asks us to find each difference. So we're looking for the difference of these problems right here. Now, as you can see, these numbers come from this sequence. So let's just write that out here. Got 2, 4, 8, and 16. Now, to find the difference of an arithmetic sequence, or any sequence, you'd have to subtract the first term, which is this, from the term that comes after it, which is this. That's why you have 4 minus 2 right here. So 4 minus 2 would equal 2. And then you'd have 8 minus 4 from here, and that would be 4. Then you'd have 16 minus 8 from here, and that would be 8. Now, as we can see, the differences are not the same. They're not common. So, therefore, we conclude that this is not an arithmetic sequence. Because thinking about, well, essentially what makes an arithmetic sequence is that the terms have a common difference, or have a difference of the same number. And in this sequence, the difference is not the same. So let's just answer number 17. In an arithmetic sequence, the difference between consecutive terms is the same, because that is what makes an arithmetic sequence. The differences have to be the same. And in this sequence, 2, 4, 8, 16, the difference is not the same, as we can see here. So let's circle that. And the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, we can conclude that it is not an arithmetic sequence because it does not have a common difference. So let's circle this not. And that's the final answer.